From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Here is the third question of 2025 NECO Maths, and it's on modular arithmetic. It says evaluate 16 times 5 on modulo 5. So there are two ways we can approach this, because you remember modular arithmetic is just like the wall clock. So you could say 16 times 7, which is 1112, and then find what's the remainder when this 5 divide the 12. So I mean 16 times 7, this is 1112. And then you ask yourself, if 1112 is divided by 5, 5 into 11 is 2, remainder 1, into 12 is 2, remainder 2. So this remainder is what the answer is to this. Meaning, when you divide the multiplication of this by 5, what's the remainder? The other way is to put 16 in modulo 5 and 7 in modulo 5 and multiply. So 16, you agree with me, is equivalent to 1 in modulo 5. Because if 5 divides 16 is 3, remainder 1. And 7 is equivalent to 2 in modulo 5, because if 5 divides 7 is 1, remainder 2. And so 16 multiplying 7 is equivalent to 1 multiplied by 2 in modulo 5. And this is simply 2 modulo 5. And that's it. Thank you for watching.